Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Nwaezeedavid, and in this video I'll be walking you through step by step on how to form an LLC in the USA using Business Rockets. Now, before I share my screen with you to show you how this is done, I would like to point out that anyone from anywhere in the world actually can form an LLC in the USA as long as you have the right tools and the right information, which I'm going to be giving to you in this video. So make sure to pay close attention and watch this video to the end. Now, if you're ready to register your business in America, go ahead and join me right now as I share my screen and show you how to this is done. Let's go. Alright, so when you click on the link in the description of this video, you're going to take you straight to this page. And the first thing you need to do when you get here is to enter the name you want to register for your business. Let's say, for instance, I want to register Nwaeze Media. Okay, enter the name of the business you want to register. Now, what this does is going to search the name and see if it's available. So enter the name and click on register a corporation. Click on it and it's going to take you to the next page. Good. Now this page will come up. Say your business name is Nwaeze Media. In which state would you like to form your business? Now you're gonna select the state where you want to register your business. Now I'm gonna select California because I already have a Californian address. Now if you have an address that is another address in the US, go ahead and select the states where you have that address. Now if you don't have address at all in the US, as maybe you're a foreigner and you want to register a business in the US, I'm gonna leave a link in the description of this video to a video I made on YouTube on how to get a USA virtual account, a virtual address. So go ahead and watch that video and create your own address so that you can use it to continue with your registration. So like I said, I have a Californian address, so I'm gonna select California. Now say California government fee is $106. Now, another thing you need to notice that each state has their own state filing fee. So let's say, for instance, I want to choose Colorado. Colorado is $50. Let's say, for instance, I want to choose Kentucky. I think Kentucky is one of the cheapest. Let me see. Kentucky. Is it here? Okay, yeah. Kentucky. Okay, Kentucky is also $50. While different business registration agency have different. So I'm gonna select California, like I said, because that's where I have an address. Okay, I'm gonna select it and then scroll down and click on next. Now once you've selected that, you're gonna scroll down and click on next and then go to the next page. Now this next page is where you're going to enter your name, your contact information, that is your full name, your phone number and your email address. Now for this phone number, don't panic if you don't have a USA phone number. Just toggle on this flag here and then select the country. Select your country here. Let's say once you select your country, you can now enter your phone number for that country. So I'm gonna pause this video and enter this detail, then click on next. We'll proceed from there. Alright, so the next page that will load up is your primary business activity. Now just give a brief description of what your business does. That's what it means here. So just enter what does your business do. Does say, let me say, the media. Okay, or say, let me just say it is a media company. So just enter a short summary of what your business does. Okay, I'm just entering this for the sake of this tutorial. So take your time and enter a brief summary of your business, what it does. As you can see, other summary here: corporation service fee is free to be delivered electronically. Your government filing fee, California, is $106. So go ahead and click on next once you've entered the primary business activity. That's your description of the business, and click on next. And once you've done that, you're gonna enter your business address. Now my own address, that's if you have an address, like I said earlier, I have a Californian address. I'm gonna select my own address. Now if you don't have an address at all in the US, you can select a professional address, toggle this option. Now you'll be paying $9 per month and they will give you a Californian address. Let's say, for example, you selected Kentucky, maybe because it's cheaper but you don't have an address in Kentucky, when you get to this option, just toggle this on, and then you select your payment option here. You select this California, this professional business address. They will give you an address, a virtual address in that particular location. Now, any location you choose, they will give you a virtual address in that location. But the thing is that you are going to be paying $9 or $10 every month to maintain that address. So, but if you don't want that, you can go ahead and watch my video. Like I said, create your own virtual address and select California. Yes, it might be a little bit costly at first, but select it and go proceed. So I'm gonna say select my own address. I'm gonna select it. Okay. Now once you've selected it, it's gonna prompt you to enter that address. Now, assuming you selected the professional business virtual address, it's gonna populate it for you to select it and enter the details for you. But since I'm selecting my own address, this form is gonna come up. So I'm gonna enter the details of my the virtual address that I have. So the state is California. Okay, CA 905. Yeah, so I'm gonna pause this video right now, fill in these details, and then proceed. Alright, so I'll fill the details. I'm gonna click on next. Now, alright, so when you click on next, it's gonna ask you how many owners would this company have. Now, if you are the only person that owns this business, go ahead and select one. If you are more than one, let's say you are two, go ahead and select two. Select the number of owners that you have for a business. The maximum number of owners is 5. So I'm the only person that owns this business, so I'm going to select only one. Now remember, if you select more than one, you're going to enter separate details for each member. Okay, so bear that in mind before proceeding. So I'm going to select one, so I'm the only person, then click on next. Now once you've done that, it's going to take you to the next page, where you are going to select the options that you want added to your cart. Now this option here says free business phone number for your LLC. Now for the first 2 months, you're going to be free. Then after 2 months, you'll be paying around $5.95. Let's say call it $6 per month, okay, to maintain the phone number. But if you don't want it, you can select toggle it off, remove it. Now, if you don't have a domain name for your LLC, you can select this option, add it to cart for free. They're going to register a domain name for you for free for the next 1 year. Then after 1 year, you'll be renewing it. So I already have a website for my company. I'm going to remove that from my cart. Then scroll down. Do you have a logo? Now, if you don't have a logo for your business, you can leave this and they will add it for you. It's free. Okay, they will give you 3 custom design logo. This should cost around $99, but they're giving it to you for free. So leave it free, leave it here and continue. They're going to design a logo for you. Then click on next. Now, if you don't want any of these, just click on skip step, but adding one of them to cart. So click on next. Then scroll down and select the package you want. Now, this package, there are 3 packages here. There's starter, there's essential, and there's supreme. The 2 most important package you need to select is this essential and the supreme. Okay, make sure you select either essential or the supreme. Now, the reason why is because this starter plan does not include your IRS form or tax ID number, anything actually that makes your business registered or legally registered. So avoid this starter plan. Select either the essential plan or the supreme plan. As you can see, the price here is one time. They're paying this only once, and your state filing plus your state filing fee. Then you pay maybe yearly for your business registration agents for them to keep maintaining your business. So select one of them. I'm gonna go with the essential package. Okay, this essential package, good. I'm gonna click on choose package. Now once you've done that, you're gonna come to this page where you say do you want to rush your processing? Now, do you want your business registration to be done faster within 2 or 4 days? If you want this, just click on upgrade to upgrade you to the rush package. But if you don't want it, just go ahead and click on keep standard processing. Okay, I'm gonna skip it and keep the standard processing time. Now the next page is the rocket compliance Now, do you want to add the compliance option to your package? Now, what this means is that you never miss a deadline for your IRS, tax, anything legal for your business. They will help you keep you legally compliant and make sure that you are always on time and avoid any penalties or fines. Okay, so if you want this for $99 per year, this is very important actually. But if you know you can actually handle this, if you know you can handle all your legal legal documents and legal activities for your business, go ahead and skip this step. If you know you can't handle it, then enroll and they will add it to your cart. So I'm gonna skip this. I can handle it myself, so I'm gonna skip it and go to the next page. So the next page here, I'm gonna skip it. Okay, the next page is the bank concierge. Now, do you want a bank account for your business? Yes, help me with my banking. This is actually free. They're not charging you for this, but you get a $400 cash credit from any of the bank partners. Now, if you want to open a business bank account, you can go ahead and click on yes, help me with my banking. Like they said here, they will get a $400 cash credit from any of this option here that they will help you create. So I already have a USA bank account and I know how to create a business. So I'm gonna skip it and say thank you, I don't need a bank account. I will create it later on. So I'm gonna click on that. Once you've done that, you get to this page. They said, let us handle your small business taxes. Now, this is important. Handling your tax, okay, is very, very important. Filing your tax and everything. So if you know you can't handle it, go ahead and select this package calculator. But if you can't handle it by yourself, if you're following me, maybe you are following on my channel, you see videos on how to handle this. So you can either skip it or select it. This is an additional fee for $29. Let's go at $30 a month. They will be handling your taxes for you. Or if you want another option, which I will leave in the description of this video, you can go ahead and skip it. So I'm gonna skip this step. It says skip this step. I'm not interested. Click on it and it will skip it totally and proceed with your LLC registration. So once you've done that, you scroll down and review all the information that you have provided. Now review your business name, your personal contact details, your business activity, what's your business information. Now, how many people owns the business address, etc. Now, once you have confirmed that all this information is correct, go ahead and click on confirm information. Now, once you've confirmed your information, you're going to make payment for your business. As you can see, the total amount you're paying around $253, which is reasonable and considering others. Now, all you need to do here is enter your card details, enter your credit card details, enter your expiry date, your CVC, which is the three digits at the back of your credit card. That they enter the name on your credit card and then click on accept terms and conditions. Toggle this and then place your order. Very simple, guys. Okay, make sure you enter the correct details. Make sure you enter the correct details. Now, if you don't have a credit card, maybe you have a PayPal account and you want to use PayPal to pay, click on PayPal. Okay, click on PayPal and you make payment using your PayPal. So anyone that is okay with you, don't do that. And once you have finished making your payment, account will be created for you and Business Rocket, where you're going to monitor the progress of your business registration. Now, if they require any further information from you, they will contact you from the information that you provided, your email address and your phone number. They will contact you for any additional information. Well, I believe this information is already enough, and they will be able to create your business within the designated time. So go ahead right now and start registering your own business. So there you have it, a step-by-step tutorial guide showing you how to register your business in the USA, no matter the country you're from. So now I would recommend that you take advantage of this and make your business a registered USA business, because there are so many advantages to this, like having USA bank accounts for your business, and also having Stripe accounts, PayPal, etc. Now, I've done something for you in this video, I believe, so I want you to do something for me in return. I want you to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel if you have not done so you don't miss out on any of my updates, and also share this video with a friend so that they can take advantage of this opportunity. Also, now the link to Business Rockets is in the description of this video. Go ahead and check it out right now, and I'll see you in the next video.